Hello, I'm Sandon Speedling, the Administrator and Health Officer at the Florida Department of Health in Bay County. On behalf of our employees and myself, I'd like to welcome you to the Florida Department of Health in Bay County. As a public health professional, you'll play a major role in the Florida Department of Health in achieving its mission to protect, promote, and improve the health of all people in Florida through integrated state, county, and community efforts. Our staff works diligently to provide services to individuals in our community in a safe and welcoming environment. Supporting our clinic clients, staff provides such services as immunizations, sexually transmitted disease testing and treatment, women and children's health, and family planning services. In addition to our clinical services, we offer several community programs that promote healthy lifestyles, such as tobacco prevention, positive youth development, healthy living, prevention of diseases for at-risk populations, and more. For example, our Diabetes Services Program works with Bay County residents to assist them with taking control of their health by offering diabetes prevention and self-management education. We provide a full range of dental services for children ages 1 through 20 who receive Medicaid coverage. Using our mobile dental unit, our staff brings services to local schools, juvenile justice facilities, and community outreach events. The Environmental Health Division contributes to the wellness of our community by monitoring, permitting, and inspecting facilities and environmental conditions that may contribute to the occurrence or transmission of disease, such as foodborne or waterborne illnesses. We facilitate the federally funded Women, Infants, and Children's program that provides healthy foods, nutrition education, counseling, breastfeeding support, and referrals for health care and community services. I hope you will find your time here at the Department of Health in Bay County to be enjoyable and rewarding. More information about the programs offered at the Florida Department of Health in Bay County can be found at bay.floridahealth.gov.